Hi guys, this is Aisha and let's unleash our inner glitter goddess. Why? Because V-Days are around the corner and what's more romantic than glitter, shimmery eyes? Well, nothing. So let's blind them with our shine. First, we will be taking a gold shade. It is a very light gold shade, not too shimmery, and because the consistency is cream, so it looks really ethereal on the eyes, especially if you intend to go minimal and of course if you're a lazy person. Next up is again a really beautiful shade. It's a mint shade, and see how sparkly it looks on my hand. And yeah, it gets the very, elf-like feeling because it's so gorgeous. And literally with these shades you don't need to wear anything, just these shades and a little bit of a pinkish lipstick and you're good to go for the Valentines. And next up is this pinkish shade, which is more so like a brownish pink shade, and it's my go-to shade. I wear it often in so many of my videos when I don't want to use much makeup. And here you can see how it has changed my whole look just wearing this shade. So yeah, it's perfect for Valentine's because it's in the pinkish family. This is by far my favorite eyeshadow. And now we have the classic shimmery gold eye shade, and it looks really great on people who have yellow or golden tones. And because I have yellow undertones in my skin, you can see how gorgeous it's looking, especially with minimal makeup. And yeah, all the shades that I am doing in this video are perfect if you are a lazy person. That's the best part. Minimum effort, maximum results. So you can see how it has changed my whole look over here. And if you are going with a gold or brown dress or a black dress, it's gonna look gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this one is the perfect shimmery gold goddess eye shade. It looks really pigmented on my hand, but on my eyes, because I have brown eyelid, it is like a little bit muted. But you can see how gorgeous it's looking. If you just pair it up with some nude lipstick, then it's gonna look really, really beautiful. Especially if you're gonna do some brown on the crease like that, and on the outer side. And if you want to know some eye makeup related to this gold eye shade, then yeah, go to my videos in the description down below. And next up we have this Barbie pink shade, which is considered the perfect shade for Valentine's. And if you're a teenager, feel free to use shades like this. The thing that I really like about it is that it's very subtle, and although it's shimmery, but it's not like on your face kind of a shade. So you can just pair it with a bold lipstick. And this is the perfect Barbie pink eye shade, as you can see, and you don't need much for that. That's the Shimmery eyeshadow. And of course you can accentuate it with some brown on the crease, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to give you ideas about which shade you can wear with minimal effort. And yeah, you can see this one, the perfect Barbie pink eye shade for soft, girlish vibes for the Valentine's Day. And now we have a very gorgeous sky blue or powder blue shade, which is a very non-traditional shade for the Valentines, but it looks really gorgeous. It's a very shimmery shade, but again, like the previous one, it's not too bright. and it suits my brown skin really well, but I think it's gonna complement with a skin tone because it's a cool tone shade and with hints of shimmers in it. So yeah, I think although it looks good with the pink lipstick, but I changed my lipstick to brown because I think it was looking really gorgeous with the brown lipstick. And yeah, it was actually giving the very, poster pictures kind of a look, so I changed it. So this is the icy blue eye shade, and I think it's giving me the ice cream vibes. This actually is the eyeshadow that's been worn in one of the Met Gala looks by Gigi Hadid. And if you want to know the look, complete look, then stay tuned because I'm going to do it very soon. And yeah, if you just change this brown lipstick into pink, then this look will turn into the mermaid look. Yeah. And by the way, I've done the mermaid makeup in one of the Billie Eilish videos. So blue challenge. So if you want to learn it, go to my video in the description below. And now we have my favorite, the copperish pinkish glittery eye shade, which again complements my brown skin really well. And you can just see how gorgeous it has made my overall look. I mean, literally I am not wearing anything on the eyes and just this, so you cannot go more lazier than this. You just need an eye shade like that for the Valentines and you're good to go. And now we have another non-traditional shade, purple, which is actually the color of the air, and it's perfect for the evening look. And you can pair it with a pink or brown lips. I would prefer brown, and you're good to go. Lazy is the best thing. So this was us today for the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Get to know more about it on my blog and get discount codes as well on eyeshadows.com. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and ciao.